Control panels are the brain of HVAC systems, managing air handlers and condensers. Thermostats send signals to these panels regulating temperature. But how do different thermostats, manual, programmable, and smart, fit into this picture? Manual thermostats need to be adjusted by physically turning a dial or pressing buttons to set your preferred temperature. This process may be inconvenient, particularly if temperature adjustments are required multiple times a day. In comparison, programmable thermostats automate these changes according to a schedule you establish. This feature enhances comfort and can lead to energy savings. They adjust the temperature based on your routine, such as during sleep or work hours, ensuring optimal conditions without the need for manual adjustments. Smart thermostats offer even more advanced features by learning from your habits and preferences over time. They can be managed remotely using smartphone apps, offering significant convenience and efficiency. This capability allows you to control your home's temperature from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation, ensuring the ideal temperature upon your arrival. The Internet of Things, IoT, is changing the way HVAC systems work by making them smarter and easier to control. With IoT, you can connect HVAC equipment to the Internet, allowing you to monitor and adjust systems remotely. This helps technicians and building managers track performance, find problems early, and make systems run more efficiently. IoT also allows HVAC systems to make real-time adjustments and even predict when maintenance is needed before a breakdown happens. These smart systems can connect with other devices in a building, like lighting and security systems, to create a more comfortable and energy-efficient environment. As IoT technology continues to improve, future HVAC systems will become even more advanced, using data to save energy, lower costs, and keep indoor comfort at its best. Cybersecurity is a critical part of working with IoT-based HVAC systems. Since these systems connect to the Internet, they can be targets for hackers if not properly protected. As more smart devices are added to homes and buildings, keeping them secure becomes even more important. Protecting data and maintaining privacy helps prevent unauthorized access that could damage equipment or steal information. Every piece of data that moves through an HVAC network, like temperature readings or control signals, has value and must be protected. For HVAC technicians and students, understanding cybersecurity isn't just about technology. It's about keeping systems safe, maintaining customer trust, and ensuring that connected buildings stay reliable and secure. Now let's go over the key parts that make up an efficient HVAC system and how to get the best performance from each one. Every component plays an important role in keeping the system running smoothly, maintaining comfort, and saving energy. The control panel is the main hub. It lets you monitor, adjust, and manage the system with ease. You can quickly respond to any changes or issues, keeping everything operating at peak efficiency. By adding IoT, Internet of Things technology, HVAC systems become smarter and more connected. IoT allows for remote access, real-time monitoring, and automation, so you can check performance or make adjustments from anywhere, whether you're in the field or in the office. Smart sensors take efficiency a step further by providing accurate temperature control. They adapt automatically to the environment and user preferences, improving comfort while cutting down on unnecessary energy use. Together, these features create an intelligent, responsive system that maintains top performance and reliability. Ready to put your knowledge into action? Start applying what you've learned by exploring real HVAC systems, practicing diagnostics, and experimenting with smart controls. The future of HVAC is connected, efficient, and data-driven, and you are part of that future. Join the next Support HVACR training video to keep building your skills and become the technician every company wants on their team. Visit login.supportvacutrade.com and join our community, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to continue learning today.